And I believe in justice. I'm one of those guys, you know, my motto is justice through the enforcement of judgments. Because I've had people, I have one case where the lady and her husband didn't speak English, they're Chinese, they got run into by a guy, and he had no insurance, and he could care less because he thought that he could get away with it. Well, they sued him. They each sued him for $9,000. They didn't have money to hire an attorney to go over $10,000. They waited a couple of years. Finally, they called me. And I sat down with him and I said, with her son acting as interpreter, were you hurt physically? Yes, we were. Did your health insurance cover a lot of your costs? No, we had to pay out of our pocket. Oh. I said, you know what? And did the guy contact you? He just laughed at us. That burns me. Okay? That burns me. My attitude in that case is I'm going to go after that guy. And I did. And I got to tell you the story because he's not become a friend.
Does that happen every time?
What's that?
Does that happen every time?
No.
Okay.
But you know what? That's a good question. Does it happen? I have become good friends with judgment debtors who pay. And they have told me this: we respect you because you work with us.
Yeah.
Because I do everything according to the law. And I tell them, this is what I'm going to do. Like this guy this morning. I told him, I can shut your business down. I don't want to do that. Just pay me. I don't want to have the sheriff come in and take everything in your office and then put it in someplace and store it. Because I can do that. I don't want to do that. But this guy, when I called him up, I told him, you owe these people money. He says, I'm not going to pay. I'm dying of AIDS. And he was. Worked for the post office. I canceled his driver's license. That really hurt because he's a postman. I canceled his driver's license. He comes begging to me and said, I can only pay $100 a month. I said, no, you're not paying $100 a month. You owe Mr. So-and-so $9,000 and Mrs. So-and-so $9,000. You have a 401k, don't you? Yeah. You're going to borrow that money. Or else I'm going to cancel your driver's license. Within 30 days, we got a check for $19,000. Okay? He retires. Oh, by the way, the judgment creditors, the Chinese couple, love me. You know, they buy me those New Year's stuff. You guys know those cakes? Yep. Yeah, they buy me cakes. Seriously, you know, my judgment creditors are really, because they've been wronged. Come on. If you've been wronged, how would you feel? How would you feel if somebody laughs at you in court and said you'll never get paid? And you were wrong. I get emotional about it because some of these people are really scumbuckets.